detto che è una supercar.
They told me that it's a supercar, so let's put it to the test.
Eccoci qui.
And here we are to do a lap of the Balocco test track. In this new Alfa Romeo 4C, the driving position is impeccable, with fantastic handling. The front end is very precise, as is the steering, but when you enter into a corner, it firms up just like a racing car. Even in the wide, fast curves, the car is very precise. Optimal stability through the rear end. As you can see, you can drive around the entire circuit without taking your hands off the wheel. I really like the display. It's very efficient and gives all the information we want instantly. Now let's try the car's attitude in the curves. Wow, notable lateral acceleration. The braking feel is excellent. It decelerates pretty quickly, and you almost never feel the ABS cut in. Excellent driving feedback thanks to the mechanical steering. The car is extremely well balanced and really good fun. One thing that really gives the vehicle its racing spirit is the roar of the engine. Low body roll, really compact, and extraordinary handling. My compliments to Alfa Romeo.